It shows cultivated land. That means farming is the main occupation of the people. Clear? So all this is interrelated information which you will have to remember. You will get a question, what is the occupation of the people of that area? By looking at the color, you will say farming or agriculture is the main occupation. And the reason you will now be asked, you will simply say because large parts of the area are shaded in yellow color. Okay? Then you come to green color. This will be another box. Green stands for natural vegetation. Means plants and trees growing by themselves. Natural vegetation, you can write forests also. Forests. Blue color stands for perennial water bodies. Perennial water bodies. Any shade of blue means it is carrying water throughout the year. It can be a river, pond, lake, tank, even a reservoir it can be. Clear? Then we come to white color. White color stands for barren land, infertile area, means nothing is there. Brown, the contour lines are drawn in brown, contour lines plus their numbers, contour lines, their numbers, and sandy deposits. Like this, when you make a chart or a table, it becomes easy to remember. Next will be your red color. Now, lot of things are in red, starting with eastings and northings. Eastings, northings, all types of buildings. We call them settlements also, where there are many buildings. All types of buildings and all types of roads. Now please remember, the most important ones I am focusing on, the symbols. There are many more. The last is black color. The last is black color. Black color, all heights, then seasonal rivers, then all labeling, everything else which is written, all labelings are in black. All boundaries are in black, boundaries of countries, of districts, of states. All boundaries are in black. Clear? These are the basic color scheme. Please remember, I told you it is confusing. In the atlas map, yellow stands for deserts, but in survey maps it stands for cultivated land. So if you don't remember the color scheme, the symbol one blue dot means a well. If that same dot is in black, it will mean a mine. You can write over here a mine. It can be a coal mine, an iron ore mine, any mine, it will be a mine. Clear? Little bit change of color means the different man-made or natural feature is being shown. Okay, keep that in mind. Now, note down one last thing regarding these colors. By the side, if you have space, like I told you for the first one, you can write the occupation also. Or I rub out this now. This we'll continue with it the next recording session. Here you write the occupation that you can write from the color scheme. The first one, write down agriculture, as I told you already. Where natural vegetation is found, the colors are there, and you are asked what is the chief occupation of the people. You will write carpentry. You know what carpenters do? They make items from timber or wood. You will not write lumbering. Some books carry that word, that's not correct. And another occupation will be government services. Government services related to the forest department. These are high paid jobs, very tough jobs, but very highly paid jobs. So any area of the map is colored green. You are asked the question, what is the main occupation of the people? First choice will be carpentry. Second choice, if you are asked two points to the answer, then it will be government services related to the forest department. Where there are perennial water bodies, again it will be agriculture only, not fishing. Where there is barren land, you will write cattle rearing. Barren means infertile. Cattle rearing. Because they cannot do agriculture, they keep cattle. For contour lines you will not be asked. For the others you will not be asked. Okay, so for these you should be knowing. And please go through the colors, go through the symbols, whatever has been done so far, please read about it in the chapter and try to practice the questions on it. The questions you will find related to the maps on that is numbered as chapter 5 in your textbooks. Okay, so thank you for today.